So can you disable all apps on Android and how you can disable them? I'll walk you through what kind of apps you can disable and what you cannot. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can disable apps on Android. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, disabling simply means that you're actually not using an app and now you want to simply disable it without having to uninstall it. So I will show you what disabling means in the first place. What you have to do is first of all open up setting. Once you open up setting, you want to go ahead and then look for apps. I just select app. If I select, let's say, a system app from the list, for example such as Android Auto or anything as such, you'll have all these options, and at the bottom left you can see this option which says disable. If I tap on it, it will basically ask me for a confirmation again which says disabling this app may cause other apps to stop working correctly. So you could go ahead and tap on the disable app button in order to disable this app. However, if I select, let's say, some other apps such as, let's say, this browser which I installed from Play Store, over here you can see that we do not have the disable button, but instead we have the force stop and the uninstall button. And the difference over here is that system apps can only be disabled and cannot be uninstalled. For example, you have all of the system apps which came with your phone, but the application which you downloaded from external sources such as, let's say, Google Drive and any of the other applications, you can actually uninstall them but you cannot disable them. Now, the reason system apps are not uninstallable is because uninstalling them could likely cause some system errors which would be fatal to your software design, and that could be one of the reasons why. However, external apps are actually optional and they are not really compulsory for your device, and that is why you can choose to uninstall and then install them again. And basically this is the difference. As I told you, if you want an app that you want to uninstall from the system, let's say sometimes even Facebook comes with a system app, and if you want to simply disable this, you could go ahead and simply disable it. In my case as well, the Facebook came on my stock Android, which is basically some of the bloatwares installed onto the software. If you want to actually uninstall it, you cannot do that because this came with my software version. All I have to do is tap on the disable button, which you see at the bottom of the screen just right over here, as you can see. And basically this is it. This is the differences, and this is how you can disable apps on Android. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.